Hi guys, Isha this side and I hope you are doing great. Today I am talking about flash fill. What is flash fill and how you can use it in Excel? Let's get into that. Flash fill is Excel feature that allows you, or rather it detects the pattern in your data and give results in the adjacent columns. Let's understand more with an example. As you can see on my screen, I have a set of rows with some random names. What if I just want to pull the first name? Let's see if flash fill works for this case or not. I have just taken the first name for first row, that is Ria, and I want to pull the first name only for all of these below rows. What will I do? I have selected Ria, I have selected the ranger of data, then I'll go to data. I'll select flash fill. This little icon is flash fill, and as you can see, Control E is its shortcut. So let me select flash fill, and now it recognized the pattern correctly at first row only and has given me the correct results. Flash fill works with text, numbers, dates, etc. Let's see how it works with numbers also. As you can see, another list. I have again the same set of names, just that I have added few numbers to it. What if I just want to pull the numbers only? Will it recognize the pattern and give me the result? I'll hit Ctrl E and yes, it's working fine. What if I just want the last letter of the name along with number only? Let's see if it's working fine or not. Let me hit Ctrl E, but now I'm not getting the correct results. Here it's failing to understand the pattern basis just giving reference on one cell. So let me give reference for another cell so that it better recognizes the pattern, and now it auto corrected it and giving me the correct results. Let's see if it's working fine for the dates also. I have some random dates here. Let me take only January and see if I get the correct results. I just want the first three letters of every month given in the adjacent dates. As you see, now I am not getting the correct results because April is just saying AP. What's happening is January starts with the fifth letter in this cell, including space. So it's just picking the first three letters from the fifth letter onwards. That is why it's just giving me April, because if you see here, it's April is fifth letter, 1 TH space and then April. So space is also counted as one of the letters. So space AP, that is why it's just giving me AP. And likewise for rest of the rows also. Let me give reference for another cell so that it correctly recognizes the pattern as happened in front of you, and now I am getting correct results. So flash fill is very efficient when you are looking for things like data cleaning, data manipulation, restructuring. These are very limited number of rows, so it's fine, but what if you have hundreds and thousands of rows to work upon? So flash fill is very efficient feature to work with. I hope this video is useful to you guys. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.